Hi everyone, my name is Parag and welcome back in my new video. So you all know that if you wanted to bring your career step forward in a project management, you required different type of softwares in your life cycle of the project, right? So for that, you need to understand the different software such as MS Projects, Primavera, and lots of different software. But these are the major two softwares, right? So this video will help you to learn these softwares step by step free of cost, right? So to learn this, watch this video till end and I'll give a good reference from where you can watch and learn this software easily, right? So first of all, you need to come to my website. It's a civil notes, okay? So this is my website. You need to click on here. Once you click here, you will redirect it to my website, okay? And once you come here, then you need to go in the course section. If you're using the mobile phone, so you can see the boxes, so three line over there, and you just need to click on the courses and you need to click on the Microsoft project. Okay, so if you click on the Microsoft project, okay, wait a minute, you will get this page, correct? And once you open this page, you can see that there's a step-by-step videos assigned, such as introduction to the Microsoft project, then how to set up the basic settings of project and the task preparation, then how to identify critical tasks using the task links, okay, how to set up the task in the Microsoft project for the building construction, then resource planning using the Microsoft project. Afterward, how to manage the cost of the resources in MS Project is a very crucial video, I can say, right? Then how to add actual cost in Microsoft Project, how to add the baseline in the baseline and cost in the Microsoft Project. Remember, there is a very limited baseline in the Microsoft Project in comparison with the Primavera. Okay, then earned value analysis of the overall scenario. Okay, because earned value analysis provides you how your project progressing with respect to the plant, right? The actual versus planned scenario you can bring down from here, which takes a reference of the cost and the time and everything, right? How to add the milestone task in the MS project, okay? How to identify cost and time overrun using the summary task, and the after completion of all these basic course, I will definitely bring some advanced course, okay, to enhance your knowledge. So in this video, I have explained you how you can easily get the Microsoft project learning free of cost, right? And it's very interesting course and you can find it anywhere. This course will definitely give you a very good insight why Microsoft project is very important application for the project management, right? Now, if you wanted to understand the Primavera software, just click on the Primavera software, my dear friends. Okay, and you will redirect it to the page for the Primavera. Okay, so this page will help you to understand, okay, the basic of the Primavera. Okay, introduction to the project management and Primavera. Okay, just wait a minute. Okay, it will take few minutes of your time, but it will load properly. Okay, you can just play this video, right, and you can watch it. Okay, so it is taking a little bit time to come up. Then another Primavera is providing the information, okay, that how to create the work breakdown structure and the activity. Okay, then how you can link the task of the successor and predecessor in the Primavera, then how you can set up the different calendar, and also mo moving forward you can identify how you can set up the organization breakdown structures, okay, then project codes, and there are lots of things. Okay, there are lots of 24, like around 40 lectures of the Primavera available on this web page, right? So this is really very important courses that help you to enhance your knowledge, and I hope this video will definitely give you good insight. So I request you to go to my description box right away, click on the link for the for the Primavera and a Microsoft project link courses. It is really free of cost and enhance your knowledge. Okay, and sooner you can also apply for the certification on this website only, right? So I hope you are ready to go for these things, and see you soon. Have a nice day. Bye bye.